Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create videos from prompts in InVideo AI and turn a simple instruction into a complete AI-generated video. First, open InVideo AI and sign in to your account. From the main workspace, start a new AI video project. Before writing your prompt, think about exactly what you want the final video to look like. Decide on the topic, target audience, video style, tone, length, and important information you want to include. Now, write your prompt in the AI video creation area. Instead of using only a few words, provide enough details for the AI to understand your goal. For example, you can describe the topic, explain what the video should cover, mention the preferred tone, and tell InVideo AI what type of audience you want to target. You can also include instructions about the structure. For example, ask for an engaging introduction, several main points, supporting visuals, and a clear conclusion. Once your prompt is ready, submit it and let InVideo AI generate the video. The AI will interpret your instructions and create a video based on the information you provided. When the first version is ready, preview the complete video. Start by checking whether the generated content follows your original prompt. If the script doesn't fully match your idea, edit the instructions or modify the generated content. You can make your prompt more specific when you need a different result. Next, review the visuals. Check whether the images and video clips match the narration and replace anything that doesn't fit your topic. Now check the AI voiceover. Choose a voice that matches the tone of your video and make sure the narration is clear and natural. You can also customize subtitles, background music, text, and other visual elements to improve the presentation. Pay attention to the pacing as well. Make sure the scenes change at the right time and that viewers have enough time to understand the information.
La textura del
Once you're
polvo
happy
verde
with the
es
result,
muy grande.
preview the entire video one more time. Check the script,
La textura del
narration,
polvo verde
visuals,
es
subtitles, music, transitions, and overall quality. Finally, generate the completed version and export or share it with your audience.
A dog's body
And that's
contains
how you
over
can create videos from prompts in InVideo AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.